in laboratories glowing with computer screens, and in mission control rooms humming with quiet anticipation, a new kind of explorer is emerging. Not made of metal or fuel, not bound by oxygen or exhaustion, but built from code, data, and the ability to learn. NASA's new era of artificial intelligence is not just a tool. It is becoming a partner, a digital mind designed to think alongside us as we push deeper into the unknown. AI is stepping into roles once reserved for astronauts, engineers, and analysts. It can sift through galaxies faster than any human, pilot spacecraft through hazards invisible to the eye, and anticipate dangers before they arise. Where humanity reaches with hands and rockets, AI reaches with thought, quiet, tireless, unblinking. This is the dawn of a new companionship. Human curiosity guided by machine intelligence. Every day, NASA's spacecraft beam back more information than the human mind could ever hope to process. Radio waves from the edge of the solar system, images of star nurseries with billions of pixels, chemical signatures in alien atmospheres, telemetry from rovers exploring deserts on distant worlds. It is a flood, an ocean of data so vast that even teams of experts cannot study every drop. And so NASA turned to artificial intelligence, to systems that can read, sort, compare, classify, and detect patterns across billions of measurements. AI now scans exoplanet signals for signs of habitability, deciphers the chemistry of Martian rocks, and maps the shifting terrain of icy moons. Where humans might overlook a faint line or subtle curve, AI sees probabilities, structure, anomaly. It finds the hidden stories buried in the numbers. Stories that could rewrite our understanding of the universe. One of AI's greatest promises lies not on Earth, but in the silent, unforgiving depths of space. The further we travel, the slower communications become. Minutes separate us from Mars. Hours separate us from Jupiter. And beyond that, spacecraft drift into isolation, waiting for instructions that may take half a day to arrive. AI changes everything. NASA is now building spacecraft capable of thinking for themselves, navigating hazards, selecting scientific targets, and making autonomous decisions. Deep space probes will no longer wait passively for guidance. They will adapt, improvise, and explore with a spark of independence. Imagine a lander on Europa analyzing a plume eruption in real time, choosing where to drill, where to sample, where to search for life, all without waiting for a signal from Earth. Imagine a rover on Mars that understands its environment, avoids danger, and plans its own route across treacherous terrain. AI turns spacecraft into explorers, not just instruments. When humans venture deeper into the solar system, they will not travel alone. AI assistants will accompany them, not as robots standing on the deck, but as invisible partners inside the ship's systems. On a mission to Mars or beyond, AI may monitor the crew's health, predict mechanical failures, adjust life support systems, and even help plan daily tasks. It can model the ship's environment second by second, notice patterns no human could detect, and make decisions in emergencies when every heartbeat matters. AI will be the extra set of eyes, the second brain for the mission, calm, precise, and capable of handling crises in the long, lonely distances between worlds. Human intuition will guide the journey. AI will help ensure we survive it. Perhaps the most profound role for NASA's AI lies in the search for life. The signatures of biology, organic molecules, atmospheric imbalances, chemical cycles, are often subtle, fragile, and lost in noise. AI is learning to spot them by training on the chemistry of Earth, the spectra of exoplanets, and the behavior of ecosystems across environments. AI is developing a kind of digital intuition, a way of recognizing the fingerprints of life where humans might see only randomness. In the years ahead, AI may be the first to detect evidence of biology on another world, not through guesswork, but through patterns too faint for our senses. The discovery that has eluded humanity for centuries may be recognized by a machine built by our own hands. On Mars, NASA's rovers already rely on AI every day. They choose where to drive, which rocks to study, and when to brace for dust storms. Future missions will go further. Imagine a Mars lab that designs its own experiments, mixes samples, analyzes results, and adjusts its methods just as a human scientist would. A laboratory that does not sleep, that performs hundreds of trials in the time it would take a human to perform one. A lab that learns, refining its search for past or present life as it studies the Martian landscape. Such a system could explore for years, pushing science forward even when humans are millions of kilometers away. AI is also becoming the guardian of our home world. NASA tracks thousands of near-Earth asteroids, mountain-sized objects that could reshape civilization in a single strike. But finding them is a challenge that grows with each new discovery. AI can scan the sky faster than any telescope operator. It identifies patterns, cross-checks trajectories, and predicts potential threats decades before they come close. It watches the sun as well, forecasting solar storms that could damage satellites or disrupt power grids on Earth. AI has become our early warning system, a lookout at the edge of the cosmic ocean. As AI takes on greater roles, a deeper question emerges. How much should we trust it? NASA's engineers walk a careful line. AI must be powerful, but predictable, independent, but safe, creative, but not uncontrollable. The future of exploration depends on balance, on systems that think with us, not for us. In the years to come, humans and AI must form a true partnership, each strengthening the other's weaknesses, each transforming what is possible. We design the missions. AI ensures they succeed. Together, we reach for places no human or machine could reach alone. Every era of exploration has been defined by a tool: the compass, the telescope, the rocket. Now, we enter a new era defined by intelligence, not biological, but artificial, not conscious, but aware in its own way, a form of reasoning shaped by mathematics, rooted in circuits, yet capable of revealing the universe with unprecedented clarity. AI will help us map alien planets, explore moons beneath ice, study galaxies at the dawn of time, and uncover truths hidden in cosmic dust. With AI at our side, the limits of exploration stretch further than ever before. The future of space exploration will not be written by humans alone. It will be co-authored by the minds we create. NASA's AI is more than software. It is a new explorer, a new scientist, a new navigator for the infinite frontier. Together, humans and AI will chart paths through the solar system, solve mysteries older than Earth, and perhaps one day walk on distant worlds as partners. We will go farther because we will go together. Curiosity and computation, spirit and science, the dreamer and the machine. The story of exploration is evolving, and the next chapter begins with intelligence born on Earth, reaching for the stars,